Again, I just wanted to show you more of Hispaniola Beach and the barbecue area, the children's play area, are just right in behind me is where the condo was that I was showing you, and here's the barbecue area. So you can come out here and barbecue, relax, enjoy the outside living out here. And there's a little children's play area over here. So the little playground area. And the barbecue area. So I just wanted to show you the condo is just right around here. So the condo is just there, so a short walking distance to that, and also show you the pool area and that which is a short walking distance too.